Digital dumping, and it's on the rise. It's when you ditch your significant other via email, Facebook, Twitter, or some other cowardly way. I have no opinion on this, as you can see. Joining me now to talk about it, the relationship guru and professional matchmaker, Samantha Daniels. Thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome.
Let's look at this survey first. Look at the numbers. They polled 2,000 people about how they broke up, and this is what it showed. Can we see those stats? Okay, well, why don't we talk about them? There they are. What do you make of those numbers?
Well, I think that the numbers are crazy. Only 38% of people are dumping people face-to-face. Everybody else is doing it electronically. And look at that number about the phone. It's only 8% of people are breaking up with people over the phone.
Which you think is pretty good. I mean, to break up by phone is pretty good if you're not going to do it face-to-face, right?
If you're
a lot of people are not picking up the phone and just saying, come on.
The next best thing to face-to-face is the phone.
Right.
I mean, at
Only
least
8%.
you're being personal. It's a little bit of a personal touch, but you can still hide behind the phone.
I can't believe the Facebook number. I mean, basically then, if you post it on your Facebook, you're telling the whole world. It's just awful. It's a terrible way to do it.
Facebook is really a bad way to do it. I think that it's very vindictive. I think that it's a manipulative way of doing it. I think email can be okay, but only in certain circumstances.
What circumstances?
Well, I think that if you've been out with someone maybe one time or two times, it's fine to say, I don't want to see you anymore over an email. But if you've touched that person, then I think you need to use the personal touch and break up with them in person or by phone.
If you've touched that person.
If you touch them like this,
so
or
that's
a
the
little
key.
bit more than that, then I
right.
think that it should be more personal, because the truth is this is your personal life. It's not business. It's not like you're shutting down a business deal. It's not like you're announcing a promotion. It's not like you're resigning.
Yeah,
this
you're
is
breaking up.
In a relationship,
yes.
Somebody that you've been with, somebody that you care about, and you owe them that.
So why are more people choosing to do it this way, this crummy way?
Well, I think that number one, everybody is using electronic means to do everything, so they figure, well, why not break up? Secondly, it's very definitive. If you think about it, if you do it over email, you're saying what you want to say and you're out. If you do it in person, someone can convince you, well, you don't really want to break up with me. They can act sexual, they can act flirtatious, and all of a sudden you came to break up, but you leave still going out because you were convinced, well, we should stay together. So I think that for a lot of people, it's easier that way, and I think especially for men. Men don't like to have confrontation surrounding relationships.
You just answered my next question.
So I think with men, they would rather do it by email because it's quick and it's easy and they don't have to deal with all the emotion. I think that men think that a woman is going to cry and make a big deal and make a whole drama.
And if you have a guy like that, you should break up with him.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Samantha. We have run out of time. You can learn more about Samantha's relationship tips on our website, WPIX.com.